Next method is arcs of circle method. Consider the given problem. Major axis AB and minor axis CD are 100 mm and 70 mm long respectively. Draw an ellipse by arcs of circle method. Step 1. Draw major and minor axis as usual. As per the definition, ellipse is locus of point P moving in a plane such that the sum of its distance between two fixed points F1 and F2 remains constant and equals to the length of major axis AB. Step 2. Taking AO distance, that is half major axis from C, mark F1 and F2 on AB. Step 3. On line F1O, taking any distance, mark point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step 4. Taking distance as A1 and point F1 as center, draw an arc above the below line, AB, and distance as B1 and point F2 as center. Cut this arc and mark a point. Step 5. Repeat this step with same centers but now taking distance A2 and B2. Draw the arc and mark a point. Step 6. Similarly, get all other points. With same steps, position of points can be located above and below AB. Join all points by a smooth curve to get left half of the ellipse. Repeating the above steps, right half of the ellipse can be constructed. This is the required ellipse.